Hey, welcome to Odd Coder. Do you know you can't able to monitor your Replit project anymore using Uptime Robot? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best alternative of Uptime Robot. Before starting the tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe because it's motivate me to make tutorials for you. Step 1. How to make an account on FreshPing. First of all, come to this web page. I will provide you the link in the description box. Then click on the sign up button. Now add a domain and your email address here. You can add here any example domain you want, like google.com. After that, click on Start Monitoring. Now you can skip this by clicking on the skip button. Now open your mail inbox and search for the verification email of FreshPing. If you don't find the email in your inbox, then you can check your spam box. After you find it, then verify your email. Now fill out those details and complete your account. Step 2. How to add your Replit project URL on FreshPing. For adding your project URL on FreshPing, copy the URL and click on Add Check. Now select here HTTPS or HTTP, then paste your copied project URL and give it a name. Now scroll down and click on Add Check. Done. Now enjoy. Your Replit project will be 24/7 active.